Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to uh, day 183. I guess not welcome back to 183, but welcome to day 183 of my trading journey. Today should have been a 4 or 5R day, but I did not trade very well. I did not execute very well. Um, Unfortunately. But I'm still 1R up currently as of recording this. And that's okay. I'm happy with being up 1R. Should have been up more, but hey, that's why I'm making these videos so I can learn and improve and get better. So I'm going to share my screen now. Market opened with a slight gap down. Okay? And it gapped and goed. It gapped and goed pretty far. It sold off very aggressively in the first 30 minutes, way more than I expected. I'll show you why I got long. I got long. I thought with the hourly EMAs, they were bullish this morning prior to the open. And I thought, hey, that means it's a small gap. It's likely to close. It looked like it had made support here. I know this is kind of small for YouTube, but so I'll make it bigger. Um, uh, kind of, you know, pause, went up, came down, pause. There's some wicks underneath. I got long after bar 282, slightly late, because I opened my monitor and it was already up here. Ideally, it would be best to enter under right above candle 282 with a limit buy and target the close. It didn't fill. It failed, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. I had a good reason to get long. In hindsight, in hindsight, um, we we expanded quite a bit on the EMAs here. Like it's already expanded significantly. I thought, hey, maybe it would, keep continuing up, but the market has been very, very choppy, and it ranged for like 3 days straight, pretty much. I mean, it did break up yesterday, but it still ranged. It started off in the middle of the range, and it just ranged for quite a while. Right, and ranges, they act like black holes. Like a black hole sucks light in, a range sucks price in. So we open a little bit above the range, and these EMAs have already been they've been rising for quite a bit. It kind of makes sense that there would be a bit of a correction. So it corrected very aggressively and sharply, and now it's recovering. It looks like a little bit at the end, but bears still very much. Today is the story of the bears. We'll see what happens. The market's still going to be open for another hour and a half, but it's maybe we're going to have another sell-off soon. I mean, look at the market basically since it hasn't really gone anywhere since the start of December. It's been huge sell-off from the interest rate day, chopping around. It went lower, then it went back to the all-time highs, then it went back to the middle of the range, back to all-time highs. So maybe we're going to consolidate up here and make another big move up, or maybe we're just going to go back to the middle of this choppy range. It's I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not in the business of making predictions, though. I'm in the predictions and I'm in the business of risking my money appropriately, looking at the chart in front of me, trying to make the best decision based on that in the moment. So yeah, it sold off very aggressively. Missed out on that, but it's okay. It happens. I'll switch this back to just the market hours and hide the pre-market. It was an okay loss. Okay. Had a second chance here to get a good short. After it retraces to this EMA, we get this hammer bar down on bar 13. There's a good chance that it's going to retest this low area, okay? The bears just pushed it down extremely hard. Maybe the bulls are going to just immediately send it right back up. But the odds are, after this pullback, maybe it's bears taking profits, maybe it's bulls trying to put up a fight, there's going to be more sellers stepping in. Because usually it'll retest to the same point a couple times. And I missed the short. I was paying attention to the Discord. I was distracted. Someone in the Discord gave me some crap for it. And hey, I appreciate that. I want to be called out and held accountable. But I made a mistake. I could have got like 2R out of this trade. I could have targeted this pivot here, the low. That would have been 11 points from 122 down to 111. And I could have targeted even a little bit lower. Maybe got 3 or 4 more points out of it. But nice 15-minute move to make 11 points. Did go a little bit off process here with this trade. But, we paused. It was kind of a lower risk trade. And this trade was influenced by the 1 hour chart, right? Because price action is fractal. We were down at the bottom. We had broken through this 65 EMA, I think it is. Yeah, we broke through the 65 EMA. And I thought, okay, if you break through that EMA, you're probably going to retest it. It was a counter trend trade, off process trade. Maybe only 10% of my trades are that, but it seemed like a reliable trade to take. I took it, and I made about just over 0.5 R for risking less than 0.5 R. So it was mathematically it was an okay trade. Here I got long, regretted it. Don't want to get long there. The bears are in control today. They're probably going to try and push it down again. So I got short after bar 41, and I made like $40. Nothing crazy, but about 1 R on that. And now the market seems like it's going up a little bit, but I don't know. Most of the move already happened, and I missed it. Kind of a letdown day, but I just read the price action wrong in the morning. If you were bearish, good for you. I mean, you crushed it this morning, and I was not. I wish I was, but it went against my plan a little bit. It's hard when the market opens up in the middle of the prior day range. I just want to trade. I want to trade based off the hourly chart, and the hourly chart was bullish. And yesterday that would have worked out really well for me. Yesterday I would have had a great win, but I got stopped out on the lowest candle of the day yesterday on bar 7. I was long off the open, and I got stopped out on bar 7, and I didn't get back in, but it closed the gap just like I went for. So I followed my process, and I didn't lose a bunch of money. Lost like 0.75 R on that first trade, and even making mistakes and missing this great trade here, going a little off process here, I still made 1 R. I made mistakes, I messed up, but we're still up 48.75 on the day. Kind of more fees than I care to take on, but we're still up, and that's good. But yeah, fees did take about 25% of my profits, unfortunately, today. But so it goes. That's how it is when you're trading really small size and you're learning. Just got to keep focusing on holding my winners, only taking my A+ trades, my pocket aces, and risking appropriately. Risking an amount that I can lose a bunch and live to trade another day. And even today I traded bad. I made 1 R. Should have made more, but I'm happy with it. And even if I would have lost all my trades and executed way worse than I did, I still wouldn't destroy my account like I would maybe in historically speaking. So, okay day, but price action has been tough. I mean, today is the first day with like high ATR, volatile, like liquid market since last Wednesday. The market's been really just not moving a lot, not great to trade. Last Wednesday was the 12th, and yeah, this day it was a good day and closed most of that gap, and yeah, I did pretty well that day. But what are you gonna do? Just gotta keep going. As usual, I tracked most of this stuff in the Discord in live time, so check out the Discord. I usually have my Discord covering the entire screen like this. That caused me to miss a trade today, so I'm only going to have my Discord cover half the screen. That way I can still watch price, and I won't miss a trade like I did today and make a dumb mistake. So that does it. That's my update for today. I probably won't trade anymore just because I haven't done so well. Overall, I'll look at my trading like a sample set, or I want to see the big picture, not just focus in and get tunnel visioned. Today wasn't great, but big picture, I think I'm still doing the right stuff. I'm still going in the right direction. I'm still happy about everything. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Peace.